Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi from paper. First, gather your essential supplies like colorful paper, sharp scissors, and a reliable glue stick. Selecting paper with unique textures or patterns can really elevate your creations. Always ensure you have a clean, flat workspace ready before you begin. This preparation makes the entire crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on creating some delightful paper sushi. Now, let's create the foundational elements. Take white paper and cut it into small, uniform rectangular strips to mimic the appearance of sushi rice. For the nori seaweed, use dark green or black paper, cutting it into a larger rectangular base. Carefully layer your rice strips onto the nori base, ensuring a slight overlap to create a realistic texture. This step forms the core of your paper sushi, so take your time for precision. Next, it's time to add the delicious fillings. Cut thin strips of various colored papers to represent different ingredients. For instance, use red paper for tuna, orange for salmon, or yellow for a tamago egg. Arrange these colorful strips neatly on top of your rice and nori layers. Once all your fillings are in place, carefully and tightly roll the entire assembly. This creates the classic sushi roll shape, ready for slicing. Finally, let's complete your paper sushi masterpieces. Carefully slice your tightly rolled paper into individual pieces, aiming for about 1-inch thickness for each sushi. Arrange these delightful creations artfully on a small plate, perhaps with some paper ginger or wasabi for an authentic touch. They make wonderful decorations or fun gifts. Also, for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your beautiful, handmade paper sushi.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.